Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Hotmail app when it's not receiving emails. You know, this is a super common issue, so let's dive in and get it sorted. First, make sure your device is connected to the internet. I mean, sometimes it's just a weak Wi-Fi or mobile data causing the problem. Next, open the Hotmail app and pull down on the inbox to refresh. This forces the app to check for new emails, and often it fixes minor syncing issues. Now, go into your account settings and make sure sync is turned on. Yeah, sometimes the app's sync option gets turned off by accident, so just double check it. If it's still not working, try closing the app completely, then reopening it. You can also clear the app cache. This often fixes stuck emails or loading errors. And finally, make sure your Hotmail app is updated to the latest version. If issues persist, uninstalling and reinstalling the app usually solves the problem completely. So yeah, that's basically it. After following these steps, your Hotmail app should start receiving emails again. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes.